Hi everyone, welcome to iArt Studio. This is ishweryabharath. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for easy painting videos. We are in the series of Indian paintings under the Eastern style. If you missed the previous Indian paintings such as Varli, Mural, Pichwai and Patachitra painting using acrylics, click this link to watch it. And the fifth one we are painting today is KALAMKARI, which is Goddess Durga. I have drawn the basic shape for the face. Draw two circles on each side and a vertical line in the center. These are jewels adorning the goddess right from the head to the neck, and one such is here on the ears. I have drawn some lines and circles in the neck for the jewels. Now we can fill the circle with small circles inside and follow the same pattern for the crown and the head. Now before drawing the eyes, make sure you draw 4 horizontal lines for the proportions to be perfect. Draw the eyebrows in the first line and then carefully draw the eyes by touching the second and fourth line. The eyelids should be in the middle of the eyes. Draw the nose and lips by keeping in mind the vertical line in the center of the face. Now we shall add little designs to the jewel in the neck region. There are tiny details in the crown. It would be easy if we draw this now, so let's take some time in giving highlights wherever needed. Okay, now you can take a screenshot and keep this as your reference image for painting. We are moving on to the next step of painting the background. I am using a small flat brush and giving a smooth application with blue. Carefully paint along the shapes. I am using a small flat brush for the corners and sides of the canvas. Then I am switching to a small round brush to paint in between the shapes. Follow the same process for the right side as well. Let it dry completely and cover it with 2 or more coats like this one. For the face, I am going to use marker pens instead of paint to show that both give the same result. I have taken yellow and slowly applying it for the full face. This might take 2 or 3 rounds to cover completely. Using markers are completely optional. You can use paint as well. Before starting to apply this, make sure you erase all the pencil lines that we have done earlier. I am taking a red marker and starting from the crown, I am adding highlights. Then we shall highlight all the jewels. Also paint the lips in red. Once the red portion is completed, we can switch back to yellow marker and highlight the remaining portions. When we have done it, we can move to use a black marker. We are going to use black to outline all the shapes in yellow and red color. We are coming over the shapes we have already drawn in pencil, but be slow when doing this process. Kalamkari is an ancient style of hand painting done on cotton or silk fabric with a pen. The word Kalamkari is derived from a Persian word where kalam means pen and kari refers to craftsmanship. It was during the Mughal era when this style of painting got recognition. Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh are two prime states in India where two different types of Kalamkari patterns are done. Motifs drawn in Kalamkari spans from flowers, peacock to divine characters of Hindu epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Add all final details before signing it. And here is the finished piece of Kalamkari painting. Take a closer look of this style of art. Subscribe to iArt Studio for more Indian paintings in the upcoming weeks. See ya!